Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check if your iPhone is original or not. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, you'll have to open the settings of your iPhone and then tap on general. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on about section on the top, and all you'll have to do is to copy the serial number of your iPhone and then go to any of your browser. Right here, you'll have to type iPhone coverage check and then search for it. Now you'll have to open the first website that is official Apple website, and then you'll have to paste that serial number right in this box and then scroll down and you'll have to solve this captcha and then submit. Now basically it will show the iPhone and the purchase date of your iPhone, all the details that your coverage is being expired, and make sure that this serial number matches with your own serial number. I hope you found the video. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,